everyone.
Good morning!
This is Nazra. As you know, guys, I'm her father, Archie. This morning we want to do a presentation about Nazra project. Yeah. Okay. What is this? This is Nazra Hydro, a multi-purpose vehicle that's very eco-friendly. Why? As you can see, this is powered by fully hydrogen, which is a water-based. Water. Okay. Ini apa? Truk. 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 Okay. And this truck is a very eco-friendly. You can see no machine, no cable, no electric, fully hydrogen. As you can see, the tire can be taken off and can be full. In the city or highway, it can fly. Okay? Use your imagination, guys. Okay? Okay, anyway, this is the MVP made by Nazra and her grandmother, me also and her mother. The boss, she got the homework, Daddy got me grade. Thank you so much everyone, thank you so much for